Alright, gang. The Rigmarole series, you're going to need a calculator, period. And the one I recommend is this one, Calculated Industries Trig Plus 2. It's got all your buttons on there: cosine, sine, tangent, circumference. It's got your invert button, and that'll turn all your keys into the ones that's wrote over the top of them. But it's, this is a really old one. They sell a new hopped up model now. It's the same calculator, but you can get them on Amazon for like 40 bucks, 45 bucks. It's just handy. You have one in your glove box or in your shop. And yeah, you could probably go with a scientific or something, but there's a lot of other things on there, features, uh, rise, run, and pitch, that type of thing, hip valley figures. 40 bucks, man. Ladies, whatever, just grab one. Um, it'll convert it over inches, feet. Just makes life a lot easier. I mean, it'd be the best 40 bucks you spend in your fabrication career. So I highly recommend them. So really, go on Amazon, go wherever, Office Depot, find you one, and get that, and then you'll be able to go through the rest of this shit. Without it, ain't gonna happen. So we're working with circles. I got a little mock-up diagram here. We're starting 0 at the top, down 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees. We've you can measure around the outside of your round object, if it's a trash can, if it's a propane tank, or whatever you're building, a grill or something, a piece of pipe, whatever. Measure around it, and you take that dimension and divide it by 360. If it's but convert it. If it's 16 feet or whatever, 2 inches. You take 16, you convert it to feet. No, you don't. You take 16, you multiply that by 12, and then add your 2. Say 16 foot 2. I don't know what it is. It's 194 inches. All right, so see, you don't want to use feet. You want to use inches. So convert whatever the foot is into inches, and then divide that by 360. Whatever that answer is, that's going to be 1 degree of placement. So you're going to need to know that. So you'll learn to play with it. Whatever it is around it. Whatever it is around it, divide by 360, that's 1 degree. That's the other way to do it. So circumference divided by 360, 1 degree. Okay, this is a little sketch right here. Let's say you have 0 and 90, you have a right triangle right here, and they give you the dimension up here in this crotch. It's 45 degrees. But then they want you to, it's a right triangle, you're between 0 and 90. So obviously, if that's a 45, then this corner down here is going to be a 45. All right, and then H, that angle is going to be a 90. That's a right triangle. So that's pretty easy to tell. So you got 2 45s equals 90. Boom. That's all you need to know about that. So it says 45 up here, and you're in between 2 degrees, like 0, 270, or whatever corresponding. If they're 90 degrees apart, the crotch is going to be 90, period. So, and then if it's a right, they're going to be 45. Pretty easy. All right. Next, moving wrong. I want to know how far it is from this line to here on this triangle. All right, it's a right triangle. Well, they tell me here that it's 5, 6, 8, 10, 15. I don't give a fuck, whatever it is. Whatever. If it's a right triangle and they give you this one, this leg's gonna be the same. That's pretty damn ABC. Okay, bear with me. Going to get a little better. All right. You have a circle. You want to know what the diameter of it is. They tell you radius. I know. Bear with me. I know. Radius is half of your diameter. You got a 20-inch radius, 40-inch radius, 50-foot radius, whatever the hell it is. You double it, you got the diameter. Bam. It's easy. 20 radius in this case. It's 40 radius. I mean a 40 diameter. Excuse me. So double the radius, that's your diameter. Don't worry about it. Time for a refill. Alright, I'm back. Boring, boring, boring. Alright. You want to know what it is all the way around your circle, your swimming pool, the block, I don't give a shit, whatever the hell it is that's around the track. How we doing? We'll be taking diameter. Let's see, equals. All right, so whatever your diameter is, multiply it by pi. It's gonna come out with, it's supposed to be, if this was 40 inches, it's not. It's gonna be 125, 66, 37. So hang on. Okay, we're gonna play fair. The actual diameter on this circle here, 40 and 13. Hundred 28 and 7/32 all the way around this one. Just be on that shit. Gonna do it right. So anyway, you can multiply it if you know what your diameter is. You can multiply that by pi, and you can come out with what your circumference is. Now, if you know the circumference, you can divide that by pi, and you can get back across, and you'll know what your damn diameter is, and then you can split that, and you know what the radius is. It's easy. Circumference divided by pi equals radius. Radius divided by 2, fucking blew it. Circumference divided by pi equals diameter. Diameter divided by 2 is your radius. So we're at 40 and 13, 16 divided by 2. 20 and 13, 32. Not close. A little less than a half inch. Okay. Don't get busted. Remember, it's Saturday. Hey. So I just went through all that. Okay, so we want to find out the arc on 45 degrees, 20 and 13/30 seconds. Radius. Got that. Got that wrote down. We're good. You gotta write all your damn numbers down. Make sure they're good. Circle. So when whoever comes to check you, do that. Like I said, I was pouring. Bear with me. I'll mix it up. Okay. Take your card, your notes, length of the arc between E and F. Length of arc between E and F. Take your radius, 20 and 13/30 seconds. Multiply 0.01745 times 45, 16 and 30 seconds. Somewhere down there. If that was a true 45, I just raped that out on a pen, so it's not going to be anywhere goddamn close. But I'm about an inch off. But that would be your number. If I'd have laid it out like I should have, it would have been better. So, you got that one. Write it down. Rewind it. Boring. Alright, back to that one. The E and F, the radius. Figured on a 20, like we started. It's going to be somewhere around 15.7, whatever. You got the formula. It's getting real shitty and boring. Alright, we're going to take a break. Like, share, subscribe, comment. This is Modem. Tire Creek Ironworks out.